during the second wave of COVID, the cases have really increased tremendously. It's pan India what we are seeing this phenomena. But measures we are taking is we have got at the health center Kolim, that is primary health center Kolim, we have got a dedicated team which are doing the swab collections. Swab collections on an average we do around 150 to 200, depends on the patient load. But we don't send the patients back. That has increased tremendously. So also vaccination has also additional staff is being deployed for vaccination drives. As of now, we are doing vaccination drive for 45 and above. But eventually, we'll be getting directives from the health departments and collectorate also. So we'll be starting additional 2 more centers that would cater to the population of Mandur again, which comes under jurisdiction of Kolim, and then Bhati, Goavel, Agasai. We will try to do somewhere in Bhati, so that instead of people coming here for vaccination or for that matter, we will go there and we will carry out the vaccination. But definitely, the workload on the health care has increased many folds. Considering these facts, we have got some help from the collectorate office. North Goa collectorate office was kind enough to depute some of the non-technical staff, especially for data entry, for registration patients. So that is the thing. So also other requirements like ambulances, we have also requested collectorate. So Balrath, which is going to come, so that we can transfer the patients in case some patients' score comes down. For that matter, we'll be having a vehicle station at Kolim, so that we can transfer the patient to the hospitals.
So Balraths in the meantime could be used as ambulances in this?
Not as an ambulance, the patient who is stable. We will definitely have an ambulance. We are having an ambulance here. We also take the help of 108 in case the patient needs some oxygen supply, and for that matter, our ambulances are there. But in case the patient is stable, and he can, and there's no vehicle at all. So in the extreme conditions, we'll be using this vehicle to transfer the patients. These are the directives come from the collectorate office.
So, as far as the health centers the areas which come under you, which is the area where peak has been of this?
Peak area, this is, Kolim definitely is an industrial area. So in and around there, a lot of industries are there, IDCs are there. We have got a railway station which is very much close to. There's a lot of migration happening. So the areas mostly affected are, you can say is Kolim, Ella, this area. Then recently we are also getting cases from Neura. But compared to other health centers, our positivity rate is not that high as compared to other health centers. But still, we have to keep a watch. And constantly do a testing. So we are doing both the testings. We are doing the antigen testing as well as RT-PCR, so that we can take a proper measure.
How many cases do you receive?
On an average, we get around say 25 to 30. That's the average case load. Per day. And then considering these facts, we have got a home isolation kit which is given free of cost. Now, recently we have started providing the patients, in case the patient is coming and he's awaiting his report and patient is showing symptoms like cough, running cold, fever, headache, joint pain, in case symptom, before he goes into complications, we also started giving a leaflet which mentions what medications should be taken, and we are also giving medicines which contains the 3 drugs, that is paracetamol, ibuprofen and doxycycline. So in case any person is showing any symptoms, these medicines are provided free of cost, so that he can start treatment before his reports come out.
We do know that under Kolim there is a huge area which comes. Is it like too much stress, or do you need a small setup in a hospital with government support?
We are having, recently government has, GMC is close by, but there's a lot of load on Goa Medical College. So we are planning to start Shyama Prasad Stadium as a step-up hospital, wherein the patients who can go into complications, who are having comorbid conditions like diabetes, hypertension, heart problems, these patients will be kept there, will be supervised, so that a load in GMC comes down. Once they are stabilized, either they can go back after that, or in case they go into complications, we'll be having a dedicated ambulance station at Shyama Prasad, which will pick up the patients and take the patients to GMC. So the step-up hospital which we are planning to start as per the directives, Honorable CM and Honorable Health Minister has made a mention of it. this is a good idea which will help us to lower the burden on the tertiary hospital, that is Goa Medical College.
As far as mortality rate is concerned, what is the number that you are on the comes under your house?
This peak has happened for last 2-3 weeks. We are seeing cases, but we had around, on our records, at least 5 to 6 deaths are there. These people were having comorbid conditions, age-related, they having diabetes. So that was one of the factors which this. And now even the directives have come. Now the health center itself can certify the death. That procedure of going to collectorate, the deputy collector's office, and then that has been minimized considering the patient load that is increasing in Goa.
How has been the support even from the panchayat? Because it is not only the duty of the health center. Even panchayat needs to support so that everything.
I would appeal to all the panchayats. We are having around 7 panchayats under considering Diwar up to Ella, Mangado, then Korlim, Karambolim, Bhati, Goavella, Mandu. All this panchayat, then this also, Shurdona also. Appeal to them is they will have to give us volunteers. So genuine request in case they can give us volunteers in order to coordinate. We have got a lot of patients. On an average, we have to do in case we do testing, we do a data entry of around 150 to 200, sometimes 250 patients. So this data entry we have to do it online, and then only we can do the testing and all these things. So in case they can send us some volunteers, a genuine request to all the panchayat, in case they can give us some volunteers, that is going to ease pressure on the health services.